Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the meaning and usage of English words to help you expand your vocabulary. I'm Alex, and today we're talking about the word backwards, an adverb that means in reverse direction. If you've ever seen someone walking the wrong way on an escalator or trying to backtrack in a game, you've seen backwards in action. The word backwards is used to describe movement or progress that goes in the opposite direction of what is considered forward. For example, if you say, "The car rolled backwards down the hill," it means the car moved in reverse instead of going up the hill. Let's explore some synonyms for backwards. A good one is in reverse, which is often used when talking about machinery or vehicles. For instance, she drove the car in reverse to park it. Another is retrograde, although this is more formal and usually used in scientific or abstract contexts, like the planet appears to move in a retrograde motion. You might also use rearward, which is a slightly older term. For example, the soldier glanced rearward to check the formation. Now for some antonyms. The opposite of backwards is forwards, which describes movement or progress in the usual or expected direction. For instance, he leaned forwards to reach the shelf. Another antonym is ahead, as in keep moving ahead if you want to reach your goal. Lastly, onward works well too, like in they continued onward, undeterred by the challenges. You can use backwards in many everyday situations. Imagine someone trying to recall a memory and saying, "Let me think backwards through the events of the day." Or, if you're giving instructions, you might say, "Step backwards to make room for others." It's also common in expressions like, "He has his shirt on backwards," meaning it's worn the wrong way. Here are a few more examples of backwards in sentences. The horse started moving backwards, refusing to cross the stream. When the video played backwards, it revealed a hidden message. She glanced backwards over her shoulder to check if someone was following. To wrap up, we've explored how backwards means in reverse direction, learned some useful synonyms like in reverse and retrograde, and contrasted it with antonyms like forwards and ahead. I hope you found this episode helpful in understanding how to use backwards confidently in your conversations. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using backwards and share in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode of Hello Word. Bye for now.